bengithi ufile ngoba ungitsheli lutho wena uhleli la uhleli khona ubhizi wena nabafazi ngidla imali zesiphelile so uyazi mina ngidla ngemali yakho ngiyayisogolela ngihambe ngeza ama-piece job ukuthi ngikhona ukudla lapha endlini ufika ngebag awuphathanga lutho kusho ukuthi wena anyeke uzukhule wena uhamba ugcwalisa abantwana yonke le ndawo le umuntu umxolela kangaki kangaki umuntu
amaphutha yenze
ungathi ungayi ngoba uyindoda uzoshaya isixhaqo sakho uyi-1 ketla khona no ketla batlo bontsha ichi
mama wetsang wo mami bathong mama. Hello, I am so super excited to be here, excited about the new episode we got to have today, and that's exactly all about Josie Bioscope Real Stories. For those who don't know me, I am Lady Blue, and for those who already know me, thanks for always tuning in, without forgetting to email us on josiebioscope.co.za. So guys, today kin box edit weki abut in read. I was about O's Blue ane. Ke batla o tsama ke lo kopa tshwarelo ko mmengwa bana ba kone ke utlwana lena for dilemo a O's Blue sale ke mosia dilemo so no ke a bona go tseba keng life ya isa le sharp without yena go tseba keng O's Blue nje ke a bona gore life ya ka nje ke life isa hlola ile sharp so ke batla lo kopa tshwarelo ka ntse ke di entseng so basically guys ke tlo tsama ke lo sheba but in read go tshwaretseng ke go utlele ena yes baby. Hi guys, I am back again in Tate Invite. How are you?
I'm fine, Jean.
I'm also doing okay. So ntate ne ke kopa jotse di viewers sa Josie Bioscope why o re ngolletse?
Apparently, I'm married and I was working, and then I got a side chick, all right, and I made children by her, and I decided to stay with her. Now, since I no more working and money is finished, my girlfriend chased me away. Now I'm coming back to my original wife.
You coming back or is it because of now you broke and stuff?
No, because it's not about money. Love is not about money. It's about love.
Yeah.
Now I'm coming back.
And you want to apologize?
I will. That's what I want to come and do immediately.
So since usilem said you have funa kwa kakang tat?
3 years that I left, and she didn't want. I must even leave the place where I was staying to come and see my children. The way she was so possessive over me.
So ntate ntho entseng o qetele o tlolla mosadi wa ho ne le eng? Tšhelete ne se o hlantsha mohlomong haholo ka tsela eo ya wa bona gore no man side chick o better.
No, apparently the side chick had me.
The side chick entseng?
Ebeng tswere sheba mina fela. Yabo.
Oh na o se ka sheba mina fela.
Fela ya, yabo. Manje imali seyiphelile.
Ha sa o batla.
Asambatla.
O enough now.
Yeah.
Yo, hayi motho mo bohloko. So wena hantle batla Josie Bioscope today you thuse ka eng?
Can I please reunite with her again? My wife.
You want to reunite with your wife again?
Yes, and with my kids. Yes, that's what I want to do in life. She must forgive me. A broken heart. She must mend it. I'm very sorry what I done to her. I'm asking for forgiveness.
Yeah, you need to apologize to her when we arrive there, you know. Yeah.
Will she accept my apologies? I'm very disappointed.
Yeah, I know. Lynn, I'm not promising you anything because what you did was so wrong. Because you left her, wabon. When I had so unalidi chalet, and when then wamusia fela jalo, and then I don't know. I'm not saying she will forgive you, but we will see, of course, you know.
Yes, and I expect a yes to say, well, she'll forgive me. I'm pleading. I'm pleading to Mzansi Bioscope to make things work out for me.
No, you know, I'll try my best, but I'm not promising you anything because now you left her, well, understand? And now I understand. She might be feeling some type of way, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, I can try my best.
So, I'll try and speak to her and then see how we solve that problem.
No, we all make mistakes, but I'm not here to judge you. But hope Luna will learn so how dear.
Yes, I'll never do it again.
Yeah. So, Baba, yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, because of Kiabona, we get to a restricting so name.
I'm
We have
happy
been
now we're in the
working.
yard. Now I'm in the yard now.
Okay, come, let's just start. You even forgot who we are now. Do like
It's 3 years I've never seen her.
Yeah.
My sister. Yeah.
Coco.
Come in.
Le kae mama?
Okay.
Ke teng motho mo lona kopa buela le wena ka montle.
Okay.
Mama rona ke batho ba Jozi Bioscope ne? Ke tlile le ntate Inerate. Ke ena re ngolletseng. So ke tlo mo fa chance hore a bua hore yena antlantle. Why a re ngolletse?
Okay.
Ntate Inerate, can you please tell umami hore why o re ngolletse?
My sister, my wife, can you please forgive me what happened to me on that rocky road of 3 years? I got a side chick and she took over and she didn't want Thomas. She didn't want Thomas come back home to you. So I'm asking.
Vir 3 jaar is jy weg van die huis af. Jy kom terug na die huis wat jy net so gelos het. Toe worry jy nie, wat eet ek? Met wat lewe ek? Terwyl jy net rondloop met ander vrouens. Is hy die regte ding wat jy kan doen? Jy kom terug met jou vergewe. Nee, ek kan nie. Ek kan nie. Kyk, ek het gedink is lankal dood. Ben jy te veel? Ngikhala ubusuku nemini ngalali. Angikhoni nokudla. Bekuthi ngwenye njani? Ngoba ungitsheli lutho wena. Wena uhleli la uhleli khona. Ubhizi wena nabafazi. Nidle imali. Imali sesiphelile. So uyazi mina ngidlanga imali yakho. Ngiyayisogolela. Ngihamba ngeza ama-piece job. Kuthi ngikhona ukudla lapha endlini. Wena unandaba nami. Namanje wayibona le ndwangu le. Ngiphethe ngesandla kanje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ntambama ngiyodla ini. Ufika ngebag. Awuphathanga lutho. Umuntu onjani wena? Uphile njani la? Uphilile or awuphilanga? Asek hier ingaan en as ek uitkom, dan moet jy weg is.
So mama o ratsa mai?
Atsamai. Ek sa batla utlwa letho ka yena. 3 years. Asa tsebe gore ke jang, ke apara eng, ka kula, oro ke phetse, mo ke dulang pula ya kena or a kene or ke dula ko sekangeng. Ha ba tlo tseba next. Ntho ena ba tlang go e tseba, ke ba sadi le tšhelete. A ke ba tšhelete ke Satan. Ke o Satan o mo tšhele. Ba no tla go nna. I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Motho mo le kopa hlalosetse mama gore ke eng tshwentseng go tsamaya.
I mean, my lady, the slave queen had me. She didn't want I must leave. I got children from her, 2 children. And now I'm supporting those children.
Ke bana ba di slave queen. Slave queen.
Yeah.
Abantwana bakho raksa abantwana bakho. Hamba ku slave queen wakho. Uyohlala nabantwana bakho bakhulise. Angithi abakho. Hamba uyobakhulisa. Bowondla bona sonke lesikhathi angithi mina wangishiyala. Uthola umuntu we2 months nje. Mina umuntu we3 years awunandaba naye. Ngikuthatha into yakho ngicela ukuthi mangena la. Mangiphuma. Ngithola ukuthi awukho la ngoba ngizoyenza into engizoyisola.
Bengukusupporta mara
Ungisupporta nini? Unayo proof yokuthi wena bongisupporta?
Ngibani osengiyana ngesikoleni.
Ngiyakubuza ukuthi unayo iproof na ngoba labantwana laba yimbe ngibawondla. Ehamba ngithengisa amagwinya, ngithengisa amaswiti. Hayi wena baniki lutho. Since wena wahamba wena. Wahamba wena, wanyamalala wena. Awaziwa ukuthi ukuphi. Labantwana bakho abazi namanje babangangena la manje. Bazothuka. Bazofenta nokufenta ngoba baba masi.
Mina ngahamba because bengivurvayo.
Now vurvaya mama.
Ngivurvayo engithuka ethi ngibuyele lapho ngivela khona. Angiwazi nohamba namajita.
Ngakuthuka ngithi hamba uvela khona. Wena besihlala sonke la. Wena wahamba wathi usebenza ngithi ngavuma ngathamba uyosebenza usebenzela abantwana bakho. Kanti wena uhamba namatikileni wonke lawa. Uhamba uyenza abantwana wekhohliwe ukuthi unabantwana nomfazi la.
Ubani ongithumele Vrynigen wo wathi ngiyofuna umsebenzi Vrynigen.
Umsebenzi nomfazi azifani. Ya ngoba wena angithi umsebenzi nomfazi akufani. Akufani umsebenzi umfazi kusho ukuthi wena anyeke uzukhule wena. Ngoba lento le ungathi kudala uyenza lento le. uhamba ugcwalisa abantwana yonke le ndawo le.
Lena mfethu.
Umuntu umxolela kangaki? Kangaki umuntu?
Amaphutha yenzeka mfethu.
Ungathi ungayi ngoba uyindoda. Uzoshaya isixhawulo sakho uyi1. Wat het jy gesê? Nee, moenie sê luister nie. Ek vra jou wat het jy gesê? Antwoord my. Ek moenie luister nie.
I'm asking for forgiveness.
Mama o kopa go mamele, o kopa tshware.
Okay. Praat.
Mistakes in life. I done a mistake, but I'm asking you, please forgive me.
En wat nog?
Please. I done mistakes. In life there is
mistakes wat jy gemaak het. Jy kan nie sê jy vra vir mistakes. Ja, en wat nog?
That's all I done.
Hoe groot is hy kinders wat jy gemaak het?
And the one is in grade 5 already.
Grade 5? Yes. Hoekom ken ek nie van dit? Ken jou ouers van daai?
You are never communicating, my baby. I'm asking for...
Jy het hier geloop, my nie narmaak nie, want ek sal jou nou, ek sal jou vang nou. Ek sal jou vang nou.
Please forgive me. Please, I'm asking for
Ek wil nie, ek sê jy moet jou goed vat, dan moet jy loop.
Why? Because I got children with you.
Niks ook hier nie, wat moet jy vat? Ook soos jy daar is. Daar's die pad.
Forgive me.
Nee, ek wil nie.
Why?
So mama wena ha o batla mo tshwarela at all.
Ek sa batla. Ke kgatetse.
Sa batla nje kae?
Ek sa batla, wa tseba toe.
Ntate ha tjo rona o re wa tseba motswadi ena ne. Tšhelete ile mohlantsa qetela bona sa ile ya le confuse a qena salata slay queen again. Yeah. So ska o tshilo motswadi una le ngwana le sona slay queen.
Yeah. In na two kule slay queen.
Yeah. And we say enough is enough ha sa batla.
Sa batla.
Ha sa mo batla so a re yena o batla o lokisa dintho sa ho dile ka kelellong wa bona go itse keng tshwa yentseng e rong so batla go le lokisa dintho motswadi.
Go late manje. Uyabona manje?
Yes.
Go late angisafuna ukuzwa lutho. Angisafuna negama lakhe angisafuna ukulizwa. Nobuso bakhe angisafuna ukubona phambi kwami.
I can even go on my knees for you.
You can go on your knees for him.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh mama Montlwal.
I'm asking for me. Let me start a new life. Let's start a new road.
Nee, jy maak my hoes kwad. Jy maak my hoes kwad. Is beter wat jy nou moet doen nou.
Ja, so mama. Mama kopa mo tshwarele.
Ke ka se ka sa batla utla next. Wa bona ke phela ke le one le bana ba ka. Re right. Le ga ke tsamaya ke thabalaza. Re right as long bana ba ka ba robala ba jile. Ba ya sekolong. Yena o tshabu botofotofo mo leng teng. O fedile botofotofo. O tla mo o batla go ba stressa ka.
Mara is still the father of your kids, mama.
Ikebe e le ntate wa motse. Ntate wa motse ko supporta motse wa hae. Le ga o tsamaya o yetsa eng?
I'm begging.
Ai, vatnya. Ke tla gona no. Ke tla batla go bontsha ichi.
Mama o etsang? Mama.
Ek sê weer wat.
Wo mami. Bathong mama. Mama askisi magane mara kopa mo tshwarele. Mama. Oh, mfana.
Papa, we tried.
Motho moholo. Khilikile. Abolla ba se tshwara bue le ena ke a tshaya le nna ka mo.
Back to the streets again.
Don't you have
Relatives?
Only got a brother and he's not here. He's in KZN.
So mama, uko KZN.
Yeah.
So batla ya kwena. O thusa.
Yeah, I'm feeling good thing here go at least I can put my head on there and stay.
So mara for today re ka o bukela guest house ha ona taba ne. Because of msebetsi wa rona ya le ka usane o tla tsamaya.
So vaya nga pass.
Mara motho mo lo ke tshepa go le nne go ntse swa di etsi o ska ga sona le chelete o sia msaidi wa mo bana ba o tswa go le lena wa bona banyana ba isana ka montle.
I've learned from my mistakes and now this is the answer that I'm getting.
Yeah, it's not that like I would judge or something, but I was just saying ane gore wa bona lifeng ntshong le ngwana le ditla mmagao konje ba re keng la ba saitla khama ne. Yes, ha itla bohloko. No matter how far you can go, but come
I'm the one to be wrong because I was the one to disappear with money.
Yes.
Instead of supporting my children.
Now you broke.
I'm coming back. Yeah. Now she doesn't want to accept me because I'm broke.
Yeah, ki life lesson.
But we'll start it from all over again.
Yeah.
Rome was never built in one day.
Nice.
Yes, of course.
Nice.
Of course. That will help you time and
Thank you very much.
Nice. Hey guys, la bona re shitse re fihla mona mama mane wa bona re o ha batle next wa bona gore moya wa hae o fatshe ka baka la gore ntate o ile a mo siya a re wa sa Ausi Blue o nsile bana ke iketsetsa bona ke sena ntho o ja ke sena next o nkutlwisitse bohloko mo mama mareng wa bona le no a ke tsebe re ke tlo jang go buile something ka dijo ka bona gore yo bohloko ke tshepa go lwena mo ntate mo hae ha o dutse e ska be le gore la se o ba le tšhelete ka pole partner e bo o siya motho o tswang hole le ena you have to know what's king karma e teng and whenever if o etsa ntho tse bad di tlo gutla ho wena hape ke a le rata kaofela guys don't forget to subscribe follow and share our videos ke tla le bona in the next episode yes baby.
Now we're gonna take you to the guest house.
Yeah.
And then do you have transport money for tomorrow? We must provide for you to go to KZN.
You provide.
Tla mo provide.
You have nothing.
Nothing at all.
No, it's okay, my pal. It's
Thanks.
okay.
Yes,
tsamayang motho mo ke tla mo provide mara ke re tshwantse le ba setse msebetsane for today guest house
Yeah,
please motho mo
And we'll make a plan for you to connect with your kids because you're still the father.
Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't change the fact. Because what if something bad happened to them, they get sick or whatsoever,
Yes.
they're gonna need you.
Yes,
So
okay.
try and we'll come and check you again.
Yeah, okay. Thank
And
you
try
very
to-
much.